Former Third World and Inner Circle member Michael Ibo Cooper has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Foundation member of one of the leading architects behind the global success of Third World reggae band, Michael Ibo Cooper, has passed away. He passed away on Thursday at age 71 years old. He was also a member of the Inner Circle, a popular band in the 1970s, but it was the Third World that Cooper and the brand gained international recognition. Soon after leaving Third World, Michael Ibo Cooper joined the staff of the Edla Manley School for the Visual and Performing Arts in the music department. Charles Campbell, a close friend of Cooper, who also assisted with the many of Third World shows, said that the passing of Cooper is a major loss to the Jamaican music fraternity. Michael Ibo Cooper represented all the talents and aspiration of a truly professional musician. Many people would not know that many of the country's gifted musicians came under the guidance of Cooper. His passing is untimely, and we must be honored for the major role he played in the development of Jamaica's music. Sleep well, my friend, Campbell told reporters on Thursday night. The passing of Michael Ibo Cooper falls on the heels of the passing of Cooper's wife, Joy, who passed away on September 26, while his son, Arif Cooper, a DJ from Fame FM, passed away in March of this year. Michael Ibo Cooper leaves behind daughter Ariane, sons Abian and Ariki, and other grandchildren. Media and entertainment specialist Clyde McKenzie said that Ibo Cooper's passing is a terrible blow to the Jamaican music industry. In 2005, he was honored with the Order of Distinction from the government of Jamaica for his contribution to the development of Jamaican music. In a statement yesterday evening, the family of Cooper said that he passed away after a brief illness. Ibo's contribution to music and culture was immeasurable. His children remember him as a remarkable human being and light, said the family. I am deeply saddened at the news that one of Jamaica's most talented and prolific musician and founder of one of Jamaica's most finest band, Michael Ibo Cooper, has passed, said Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Most Jamaicans were exposed to his skills on the keyboard and his energetic performances with the Grammy-nominated band Third World. He also played for the group Inner Circle. Ibo was a true cultural ambassador, taking reggae music and the brand Jamaica to the furthest corners of the world. Holness continued by saying, his music, love, upliftment, and peace reflected is the essence of reggae music. Indeed, he was part of the era which represented the epitome of reggae music, love, unity, and peace. Mr. Andrew Holness also noted that later in life, Cooper would extend his excellence as a musician, becoming an educator, teaching music at the Edla Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Our students who encountered his talents and his many fans are the better for being exposed to his immense passion for music, culture, and arts, the Prime Minister said. Ibo has left a legacy of excellent but respite talent, enduring personality, and passion for his family, music, and country, Holness noted. The country has lost another musical icon. He is true a reggae ambassador. On the behalf of the Jamaican government and the people of Jamaica, I extend my sincere condolences to his family, friends, and colleagues of the Cooper family. May his soul rest in peace and light perpetual shine on him, the Prime Minister further added. Oliver Bobbsey Grange, the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, said that I am deeply saddened to learn of the passing of one of Jamaica's iconic musician, Michael Ibo Cooper, former member of Inner Circle and the founding member of the Third World Reggae Band. I wish to express my condolences to his children and to the local and international music fraternity. Ibo was a strong and consistent voice for the music industry and an exemplary music teacher. Generations of Jamaican musicians have been shaped by him, and our industry is better for having had him. I also benefited from his advice as a member of the Entertainment Advisory Board. May his soul rest in perpetual peace, Minister Grange added. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.